Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is gearing up to make waves in the smartwatch market with its latest release. They are about to drop not just one, but 3 new models in their popular Fenix 8 series. We're talking about the regular Fenix 8, the Fenix 8 Solar, and an exciting new addition, the Fenix 8 Pro. These new models are generating a lot of buzz, and for good reason. Garmin has already proven its innovation with the Fenix 8 and Fenix 8 Solar, and now the upcoming Fenix 8 Pro is set to take things to the next level. But what exactly can we expect from these watches? Let's dive in. Current releases. Recently, Garmin launched the Fenix 8 and Fenix 8 Solar. These models have already caught the attention of outdoor enthusiasts and athletes alike. One standout feature in both of these models is the diving support, which allows users to track their performance and stats while underwater. This makes them great choices for anyone who enjoys water sports or diving activities. Another notable addition is the built-in voice assistant, offering a convenient, hands-free experience for users during workouts or day-to-day activities. With these strong features, Garmin has already raised the bar with the Fenix 8 and Fenix 8 Solar, positioning these smartwatches as top contenders in the market. But there's more coming, and it's even more exciting. Leaked. Now, here's where things get interesting. Some leaked screenshots from the Garmin Connect app have revealed what seems to be upcoming Fenix 8 Pro models. These leaks suggest that we can expect a Fenix 8 Pro 47mm, a Fenix 8 Pro 51mm, and even more exciting, a Fenix 8 MicroLED model. These new models briefly appeared in the app before mysteriously disappearing, which has led to all kinds of speculation. Could Garmin be preparing to launch these new models sooner than expected? And what could these new features mean for users? The leaks have certainly sparked curiosity among Garmin fans and tech enthusiasts alike. Fenix 8 Pro. Let's start by looking at the Fenix 8 Pro models. According to the leaks, these new Pro models will come in 2 sizes, 47mm and 51mm. This gives users more options to find a size that best suits their wrist and preferences. While we don't have all the details yet, these models could offer a spec bump with improved internal components compared to the standard Fenix 8. That might mean better performance, longer battery life, or additional health and fitness tracking features. There's also speculation that these Pro models could have solar charging like the Fenix 8 Solar, but since that wasn't mentioned in the leak, it's not clear just yet. The real game changer in these leaks, though, is the Fenix 8 MicroLED model. MicroLED technology is a big leap forward for smartwatch displays. It offers better brightness, which means the screen will be easier to see in direct sunlight, and also consumes less power. This could translate into longer battery life, which is always a major plus for outdoor enthusiasts. Another benefit of MicroLED is that it's less prone to burn-in compared to AMOLED screens. Big companies like Apple have been exploring MicroLED technology for their devices, but they've run into challenges with production costs. If Garmin can pull this off, it could give them a significant edge in the market. Release and pricing. As exciting as all of this sounds, Garmin hasn't officially announced these new models yet. So we're left to speculate on when they might be released and how much they'll cost. Based on what we know, it's safe to assume that the Fenix 8 Pro and MicroLED models will likely be more expensive than the standard Fenix 8, which starts at $999.99. If these advanced features do make it to market, you can expect them to come at a premium price. But until Garmin makes an official announcement, we'll have to wait and see. In conclusion, Garmin is definitely pushing the boundaries with these new Fenix 8 models. The leaked information points to some exciting upgrades, especially with the introduction of the MicroLED technology. However, as of now, everything is still speculation until Garmin makes an official statement. Whether you're already a fan of the Fenix series or just interested in what's next in wearable tech, it's clear that Garmin's latest offerings could be a big deal. Be sure to stay tuned for any official updates on pricing and release dates.